into the earth, it spreads its branches wide. On frosty winter mornings, when the songbirds and winter butterflies rise with the dawn, the mountains come to life with the love and laughter of families, celebrating this most special time of the year. In the grove, snow-covered branches, silvery icicles, and the sound of sleigh bells make a postcard-perfect background. While at home, we cover our trees with colorful lights as the smell of sugar cookies and the music of the season fills the air. And as the stars come out for the night and the moon climbs high, little ones give in to sleepy Christmas dreams. And we know that soon enough the sun will rise and we'll celebrate a day filled with joy. The next morning, love and laughter, surprise and delight all seem to arrive wrapped in bright, shiny paper. And sparkly-eyed children are tickled that their dreams came true, while special memories are made for moms and dads too. You see, there's really nothing quite like being home for Christmas. So trim the tree and wrap the presents, turn the Christmas music on. I'll be home with bells on. And once on a very special night, when a single star shone true and bright, angels proclaimed a wondrous sight, and the world was filled with love. We hope the spirit of the season rings out loud and clear and becomes part of your heart song